Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited. Why? Because I finally received the things that I've ordered online. If you can see here, these are the two things that I've ordered and I finally received it. Yes, I'll be unboxing it and in front of you guys, and I'll be showing what are the contents, what are the things that we get inside these boxes. Okay, so if you guys are a young budding YouTuber like me, and if you guys want to get this equipments, you can definitely, I'll put a link in the description. You can go and click the link in the description and you can get it from there. So yes, I'll be unboxing. Okay, I'll not be taking much of the time, okay, unboxing this video. Why? Because today I have a lot of things planned out, okay, to be added in the vlog. So we'll start our morning with this, unboxing this, and later on during the day, as the day progresses, okay, I'll show you what are the news, other surprises that I have for you guys. Chalo, let's start with this unboxing. Yes guys, so the first product that I'll be unboxing is this, okay, tripod from Digitech. You can see where is Digitech. Okay, so this is the first product that I'll be unboxing. Mind you guys, I'm not an expert reviewer or things like that. I'm just unboxing and showing you the contents that I got inside this box. So the first thing that we got over here, if you open the box, you'll see a small and cute little button over. So this remote, okay. So this is a Bluetooth remote. You can connect it with your phone. You don't have to download any special app. Okay, you can just go to your settings, switch on your Bluetooth, and this thing gets connected. The only thing you have to do is, okay, turn on this button and this light starts blinking. Okay, this is a very handy product. Okay, where you can just with a click of a button, okay, start taking videos, or you can take snapshots, okay, with this button over here. We can see where it has features for both Android and iOS. Okay, you see very closely over. So I think it's a very handy product, okay, where you don't have to go and physically press on the phone, okay, to start and stop taking your videos. So I think it's a very good product. The next thing over here is, okay, this phone holder. Okay, so it will help you, okay, enable you to put your phone over and hold your phone. Okay, then the next thing over here is this, okay, the tripod itself. So what you do is this, is that you take this phone holder. There's a, okay, provision for screwing it to your tripod. So you screw it like this, and voila, see, very good. Okay, so what you can do is you can put your phone here and you can start. Okay, it's ready to take your videos. So if you look over here, this stand, okay, can be bended, okay, made it straight, okay, any style you want, okay, any style, okay, according to the position that you're taking your videos. Okay, you can adjust it any way you want, and you'll be able to get good shots with this tripod. So I think, yes, the quality of this product, I would not say it's bad. I would say it's pretty decent for the price. Okay, so for guys, those are budding YouTuber like me, those who want to or are planning to start a YouTube video or channel, I would say YouTube channel, you can go for this product. Okay, so that it will help you get, okay, good content for your channel. So this is the first product. The next product that I'll be unboxing is this microphone from LiQWYD. The model is LiQWYD. Okay, so let's see what are the things that we get over here. So yes, we get a very good handy pouch that, to carry your microphone. Okay. So I've already fixed the things over here. If you see over here, okay, this is the clip, okay, where you can clip it to the collar of your shirt, okay, or anywhere, okay, which will help you clip this microphone. The next thing over here is this windscreen, okay, windscreen foam. Okay, it's a very good handy thing that it helps to cancel out, okay, any unwanted noise. So these are the things, okay. If you happen to open this, okay, you'll get a battery. Okay, you have to insert it over. So this battery actually is not required for when you're recording or when you're using it with your smartphone, but when you use it with other products like cameras, okay, you'll have to insert this battery, okay, and there's a switch over where you can switch the mode from camera, or either camera or smartphone. So for smartphone we don't need this battery, so we get a very decent and a long wire over, so you can keep this keep the camera at a distance, and also okay, you can record your audio from a very pretty far off distance, but you will not compromise with the audio quality. So this, I think, is a very handy product. Okay, so yes, so these are the two things that I've bought from Amazon. I'll leave the, like I said earlier, I'll leave the links of this product in the description. For those who are interested, you can definitely go and click the link and you can check out this product. So these are the two things that I've got. So guys, so earlier I was recording the video without the microphone. I've now fixed the microphone. Okay, so kindly comment in the comment section if you notice any difference with the mic and without the microphone. Chalo, we are going up to the chicken shed. Let's see what are the works that we can do today, what are the things to be done. We'll go and see. Why? Because later during the day the chicks will be arriving, the chickens will be arriving, so we'll have to make some final adjustments and arrangements. So we are going up to the chicken shed now. I'll keep updating you guys. I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run, 'cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Guys, we're having afternoon snacks. My daughter, she's drinking milk. Having some mangoes. I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Bite Chanu Gadia. Come no. Come this side. The puppy will bite you. Come here. So guys, here is a surprise for you. So yes, at last we have received the chickens. We've got about 100 broiler chickens over here. Actually, this is not the breed that we wanted. We wanted different breed, but since the farm where we ordered the chicken, they were not able to provide, so we had to get it from some other place. And since it was not available, so for the time being we are rearing broiler chickens. Yes, they have already gone up. They are about half kg now. So maybe in a few weeks we'll be able to sell it. And once the lockdown gets relaxed, or we'll go and visit the farm ourselves, and we'll get a different breed of chicken, the one that we want. So for now, we are just planning to rear these broilers for the time being. Day to day, I'll be showing you the activities, what we do in this shed over here. So do like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bamboo master today is doing the wiring of the shed. Last time he completed half, and he is doing the remaining half now. So guys, we are going to end our vlog from here. But at the end of the vlog, I would like to say that in our farm, yes, definitely we got a lot of trees, but at the same time, for every tree that we got, we try to make it that we plant another tree in replacement. So guys, always to remember that whenever you cut a tree, see that you always replace it with a new tree. So I'll end with the slogan, plant a tree, save a life.